Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can record a recurring expense. On sidebar, go to expenses section and there is subsection called recurring expenses. To add a new recurring expense or supplier invoice, click on plus sign and fill in details. For example, I will have electricity and then I can select how it repeats. So if it repeats every working day, days, weeks, months or years. In my case, it is months. And if it repeats every quarter, so you will just change it. It repeats every 3 months. In my case, every month. And it starts from next month, 3rd of June, so 3rd of May I record it as well. And when it ends. So if I have if it's continuous always and there is no end date, you keep it as a never. If you have a particular date, keep on and select the date, or you can select after. That means how many times this invoice would be, this recurring expense will be recorded on account. So in my case, I will say after 11 times because May invoice been already recorded. We can also add a note if required, maybe contract details. We can make this chargeable to particular customer if this expense applies, and we can add a reference which would be maybe an first part of your supplier invoice number or contract number there. Item, add a description of this item. Expense type, if it's not falling under that particular expense type, you can still click and select correct place for this charge to be recorded. Check on VAT rate, you have a couple of options to choose from. In my case, I will keep reduced, and add your amount. If it's contract on direct debit and it will be collected every month for 3rd, we can add that it transfers out from my which account, bank account, from personal or from business, and 55. So every time when this invoice will be posted on system, it will record also in your bank. So once we are happy, click save, and our recurring expense being recorded there. So this is a way how you can add a recurring expense or recurring supplier invoices on Crunch account. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared a link in the description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I am setting up myself, actually where I go through the process of setting myself up on Crunch, as well as getting till the very last step on creating or preparing for self-assessment submission through Crunch accounting team.